Hello friends, welcome to KELETOS TV. I hope you're all doing well. If you're new to this channel, I wish you a warm welcome and I encourage you to join the family by subscribing. Today we are making an amazing drink to boost our immune system, and for this drink we would need pineapple, lemon, lime, ginger, turmeric, cloves, coconut water, pomelo, and gold beet. So somebody would ask, what is pomelo? Pomelo is a sweet and tart fruit without a bitterness, and it's found in the grapefruit varieties. It's used to make cocktails, and so we're going to add it to our drink to give it some rich taste. So friends, I'm going to go ahead and prep all the ingredients and we'll get started with the video. The first thing we need to do is to soak the cloves. So I went ahead and added some of the coconut water to the cloves. We're going to set this aside for like 20 minutes just to make sure it's soft and ready to release all its nutrients into the juice. We will not be boiling this, that is why we're soaking it. Okay? Alright. All our ingredients have been washed, and we're going to go ahead and start cutting them. Okay friends, for the pomelo, we're going to peel it instead of cutting. So you want to make a small incision. Not too deep. Just to give space to your fingers. This is how it looks like. It looks like an orange. I love pomelos. These pomelos, they taste amazing. Friends, all our ingredients have been cut and ready to be blended. So the first thing we're going to do is to pour the cloves into the blender, the soaked cloves. And then add some coconut water. Then the fruits will follow. Go ahead and close the blender and blend.